Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a straight line in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature when you need to add visual elements like dividers, arrows, or diagrams to your spreadsheet to make your data more organized and easier to understand. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents from the Workspace dashboard. Locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to draw the straight line. This will open your Google Sheets file and display all your data and existing formatting. Now look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for adding different elements to your spreadsheet. From this menu, click on Drawing. This is the key tool that allows you to create custom visual elements directly within your sheet. When you click on Drawing, a new window will open. This is your drawing canvas where you can create lines, shapes, and other graphics. At the top of this drawing window, you'll see several icons for different drawing tools. Click on the line icon to select the line drawing tool. This icon typically looks like a diagonal line and is your gateway to creating straight lines in your spreadsheet. Here's where the technique comes in. To draw a perfectly straight line rather than a curved or diagonal one, you need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging your mouse. Click where you want the line to start, hold Shift, and then drag to where you want the line to end. The Shift key constrains the line to stay perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at exact angles, ensuring your line comes out straight and professional looking. Once you're satisfied with your straight line, click on Save and Close at the top of the drawing window. This will insert your line directly into your Google Sheets spreadsheet exactly where you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully drawn a straight line in Google Sheets that can help organize your data visually or separate different sections of your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.